5 hidden dangers of walking that doctors don't always tell seniors. What you need to know in 2025. Are you a senior who loves a good walk? It's fantastic for staying active, but what if your daily stroll could be hiding some unexpected risks? Let's uncover the truth about walking safely in 2025. Walking is often hailed as the perfect exercise for seniors. Doctors worldwide recommend it for a healthy heart, flexible joints, and a sharp mind. But while walking offers incredible benefits, there are hidden dangers that can turn a pleasant stroll into a serious health concern, especially as we navigate the health landscape of 2025. These risks are often glossed over during routine checkups, leaving many seniors unknowingly vulnerable. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge you need to walk safely and confidently, ensuring your health and well-being. Let's shed light on these 5 hidden dangers of walking that every senior and their caring families should be aware of. Walking improves balance over time, but for seniors with weaker muscles, vision problems, or unsteady joints, uneven sidewalks, gravel paths, and high curbs can quickly lead to a fall. It's like navigating a minefield without a map. Falls are the leading cause of injury-related deaths in adults over 65. Even a minor trip can result in serious injuries like hip fractures, head trauma, or spinal damage. These injuries can significantly impact your independence and quality of life. Some seniors experience drop foot, which further increases the risk of stumbling. This condition makes it difficult to lift the front part of the foot, causing it to drag and catch on uneven surfaces. Doctors often encourage walking but may not always assess your gait, footwear, or the safety of your walking routes. Before you start a walking routine, it's crucial to evaluate your balance, stability, and the terrain you'll be walking on. Solution: use walking poles for added stability. Wear orthopedic shoes with good ankle support and stick to paved, well-maintained routes. Consider walking indoors at a mall or track for a safer environment. Seniors often view walking as a light activity, but for those with undiagnosed or poorly managed heart conditions, even moderate walking can put undue stress on the heart. It's like asking your heart to run a marathon when it's only trained for a sprint. This strain can manifest as shortness of breath, chest pain, or an irregular heartbeat, arrhythmia. You might also experience elevated blood pressure after your walk, or feel unusually tired or dizzy. For individuals with conditions like atrial fibrillation, congestive heart failure, or high blood pressure, a brisk walk can become a cardiovascular stressor rather than a health booster. It's essential to know your limits and listen to your body. Doctors may recommend walking without a recent ECG or heart stress test. Seniors might assume it's safe simply because it's not running or weightlifting. Don't make assumptions about your heart health, get it checked. Solution: monitor your heart rate during walks using a smartwatch or by checking your pulse. If you experience unexpected fatigue or discomfort, consult a cardiologist before continuing your walking routine. Seniors are more susceptible to temperature fluctuations due to decreased sweat production and impaired thermoregulation. Walking in the sun, even for a short time, can lead to serious problems. Think of your body as a delicate flower that needs protection from the harsh sun. This can result in dehydration, heat exhaustion, or even heat stroke. It can also worsen existing conditions like kidney disease or heart issues. The sun's rays can be more dangerous than you think. Many seniors walk in the morning or afternoon without checking the UV index or temperature. Medications like diuretics or blood pressure pills can also increase your sensitivity to heat. Be aware of how your medications might affect you in the sun. Doctors may forget to advise about sun protection when recommending walking as exercise. It's up to you to take the necessary precautions to protect yourself from the sun's harmful rays. Solution: walk in shaded areas. Wear UV protective clothing, bring water, and avoid walking between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. during the warmest months. Stay cool and hydrated. Seniors with early dementia, Alzheimer's, or even mild cognitive impairment may start walking and forget their route, become disoriented, or wander into unsafe areas. It's like being lost in a maze with no way out. Statistics show that 6 in 10 people with dementia will wander at least once. This can lead to dangerous situations. Wandering seniors are at risk of injury, dehydration, or being lost for hours. The consequences can be devastating. While walking is beneficial for brain function, doctors may overlook the cognitive status of patients before recommending unsupervised activity. It's important to consider your cognitive abilities before embarking on a solo walk. Solution: use GPS-enabled footwear or apps, walk with a companion, or limit walks to familiar, enclosed spaces like gardens or retirement communities. Stay safe and connected. Walking puts repetitive stress on the knees, hips, and lower back, especially for seniors with osteoarthritis, plantar fasciitis, or prior joint replacements. It's like asking your joints to carry a heavy load without proper support. Improper footwear can worsen joint pain. Wearing the wrong shoes can exacerbate existing problems and lead to new ones. Pounding on sidewalks can aggravate inflammation and aging cartilage. The impact can wear down your joints over time. Many seniors increase walking frequency without adjusting their stride, surface, or shoes. Doctors may not assess foot structure, gait, or recommend orthotics. It's important to pay attention to your body and make adjustments as needed. Solution: walk on softer surfaces, e.g., rubberized tracks, grass. Wear custom-fit walking shoes and alternate with swimming or stationary cycling to reduce impact. Treat your joints with care. As we move further into 2025, staying informed about the latest health recommendations and potential risks is more important than ever. The healthcare landscape is constantly evolving, and it's crucial to be proactive about your well-being. This means staying up to date on the latest research, consulting with your healthcare providers regularly, and taking steps to mitigate potential risks. By staying informed and proactive, you can ensure that you're making the best choices for your health and longevity. Technology is playing an increasingly important role in senior health, offering new tools and resources to help seniors stay active, connected, and safe. From wearable devices that track activity levels and heart rate to GPS-enabled footwear that can help prevent wandering, technology can empower seniors to take control of their health. In 2025, we can expect to see even more innovative technologies emerge that are designed to meet the unique needs of seniors. These technologies will not only help seniors stay healthy and independent, but also improve their overall quality of life. Maintaining strong social connections and a sense of community is essential for senior health and well-being. Social isolation and loneliness can have a significant impact on both physical and mental health, increasing the risk of depression, anxiety, and cognitive decline. Participating in community activities, joining social groups, and staying connected with friends and family can help seniors stay engaged, active, and mentally stimulated. These connections provide a sense of purpose and belonging, which are crucial for maintaining a positive outlook on life. Walking remains a cornerstone of healthy aging, but it's not as risk-free as it's often portrayed. Seniors need individualized guidance to ensure their walking habits are safe and supportive of their overall health. It's about walking smarter, not just harder. Whether it's preventing a fall, avoiding heat stroke, or ensuring cognitive safety, being informed about the hidden dangers is key to making walking not just safe, but truly beneficial. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to protect your health. Before lacing up your sneakers, ask, is my walking route safe and familiar? Do I have the right footwear and hydration? Am I listening to my body and monitoring my limits? When seniors walk wisely, they walk stronger, safer, and longer, and that's the kind of step forward we all need. It's about enjoying the benefits of walking while minimizing the risks. Ready to take control of your walking routine and ensure your safety? Schedule a checkup with your doctor to discuss your specific health needs and concerns. Share this information with your friends and family to help them stay safe too. Let's walk towards a healthier and safer future together.